Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic Maths.
Today's topic is area. So in this video we are going to find the area of regular shapes. So now let's start. So what is called area? Area is the amount of surface occupied by any shape. So here let us take, making a random figure, let us take this shape. So how we are going to find the area of this shape? The amount of surface covered by, occupied by any shape is called this. The inner portion, the whole portion inside the boundaries is called the area of this shape. And the SI unit of area is, the unit of standard unit of area is square meter. It is square meter, or we can simply write it or square meter or square centimeter. And in short form we can write square meter as square dot m and square centimeter as square sq dot cm. So now let's take any shape and find out its area with the help of squares. Now let's take a question from the book, and the question is, find the areas of the following shapes. Hint is given, each small square has an area of 1 square centimeter. 1 square centimeter. So now how to find? You can see behind this is a graph and you can see a small squares in this. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the area of this shape, we have to count the number of squares. And the number of squares, we have to count the numbers of squares and we will get the answer. So now let's take a close-up of this. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48. So these are 48 squares. So its area is 48. Now it is given here square centimeter. So we are going to write here square centimeter. So the area of this shape is 48 square centimeter. So now you can see the other picture, the other shapes. You can find out the area. Likewise, you have to just count the number of squares and write and calculate the area of this figure. Now what if this type of figure is given, and here in this figure, in this shape, you can see this some squares are not full, some are half squares. So what we have to do, first of all, let us count how many proper squares and how many half squares are there. So let us count the proper squares first. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 proper squares are here. So let us write in our notebook, 4 squares are here. Now let us count the number of half squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 8 half squares are there. So now consider the area of full square as 1 square centimeter, and consider the area of half squares as half square centimeter. Now what we are going to do, the full squares areas will remain same, 4, and half square we are going to divide 8 by half, so it will again become 4. So the answer of this figure, the area of this figure will be 8 square centimeter. Let's take one more example for you to understand better. So now again we are taking a shape which has some full squares and some half squares. So first of all, let us count the full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let us write here 6 full squares. So their area will become 6 square centimeter. Let's count half squares. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we are going to write 4 half squares, and their area will be the half of 4, 2 square centimeters. So now in the end what we are going to do, we are just going to add both the numbers. 6 plus 2 will become 8. So the total area of the shape is 8 square centimeters. So by using this method you can solve all the questions related to this topic. So keep practicing.